Welcome to day 19 of the 100 Days of Code video series. On day 18, which was the last video, I mentioned that we're doing a little bit of a mini series. So, day 18, 19, and 20, we're going to be building out one app with new features on each episode. So, day 18, I created a very basic photo gallery app using React, and all I did was build the UI. Today, we're going to add a little bit more functionality, and we're going to be able to click on each image in our photo gallery to show a modal with a larger image, as well as some controls to go back and forth between all the images in our gallery. And on the next video, we're going to add a nice little dark mode to our app. So let's get into today's episode, and I'll see you at the end. Treehouse's 100 Days of Code challenge is an awesome way to level up your skills as a developer or a designer. If you're new to this challenge or never heard of it, it's pretty simple. Build a habit of coding for 100 days in a row. This could be building out a new project entirely, or just adding a new feature to an existing project, reorganizing your code, or anything related to coding and development. The best way to stay motivated is by sharing what you do each day, no matter how big or small. Check out a link down below to our community Discord, where myself and other cool developers share their 100 Days of Code journey daily. With all that out of the way, let's get into today's build. Keep in mind, this is not a tutorial style video, more so of just a speed build of my current day in the 100 Days of Code journey. So it looks like we are finished up on day 19. I was able to add in a couple more features. One being that we can now click on an image and a larger version of that image now pops up, as well as a couple of control buttons, one to go back and one to go forward to cycle through all the images in our gallery. Now it's time to get started on this dark mode feature, which will conclude our little mini series of the photo gallery app. So I'm gonna go work on that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.